Our PaintedAutoParts.com Motorhead of the Week has a story that'll make you smile. It's Nathan Gentit. Now, Nathan tells me he learned a lot about cars from his grandfather when Nathan was growing up, and then Nathan went to shop class to learn even more. Well, Nathan seemed to just have the knack for things mechanical, so he became an engineer for GM for a number of years. Then he decided to strike out on his own, and he started a body shop, which is still going strong. But here's where it gets fun. Nathan and his wife Amelie met through a family member who knew they'd get along because both Nathan and Amelie had classic Volkswagen Beetles. It's awesome. And Nathan tells me they're a great match, partly because Amelie likes old cars, and partly because she's not just his wife, she is an enabler. They now have 5 vehicles, and every one is older than the couple. That includes the Beetles, of course, an '84 Ford F-250, an '86 Camaro Z28 with a 350 Vortec engine, and this 1968 AMC Ambassador station wagon. That thing's cool. The wagon is their main daily driver, and it's pretty much all original with one exception. And it's a long story, but the original engine went missing years ago, so Nathan dropped in an LS motor. Regardless, once they saw the wagon, they knew they had to have it. And I think it's a great choice. Nathan and Amelie, and one of Nathan's friends nominated him to be Motorhead of the Week, presented by PaintedAutoParts.com. And you too can rat out a friend. Just go to MotorheadGarage.tv and tell us your story. Motorhead Garage, presented by DragonfireTools.com, rolls on right after this.